Assalamu'alaykum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello people on YouTube. So this is my first video and I actually still cannot believe that I eventually made my own channel. First of all, as you can see that I'm struggling a lot of doing hand lettering. Yes, I'm not an expert and I'm just a beginner, so please don't judge. This is going to be a quick overview on what this channel is going to be about. But one thing for sure, that I really want to spread positivity, and I'm trying my best to fill up this channel with useful videos, and I hope you guys like it. As a big line, this channel would consist of videos about Quran, because alhamdulillah I am a Muslim and I want this channel to be useful for this life and the life in hereafter, inshallah. And I also will do like DIYs and hand letterings, you know, even though I'm still learning. I just wanna practice by doing it anyway. And I also will do some challenges, of course the positive one, the one that will give positive influence or impact towards society or towards the viewer. Probably I'm going to do some English tips or something like that, and mathematics, because that's like my favorite subject in school back then. And oh yeah, English is not my main language. My main language is Bahasa Indonesia, and I'm still learning English. You will probably like find lots of misspell, mispronounce, and even grammatically weird sentences, so don't mind with that, we're still learning. I also will do some cookings, of course the simple one, because I'm not a good cook, I'm not a chef, and I actually do it because I want to learn myself either. So it's like practicing by doing or learning by doing. And lastly, I hope that I can maintain the consistency of spreading love and positivity in this channel. I mean for that. And please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button if you find those topics like are included in your interest. Hopefully, I would really appreciate if you could share and refer this channel to your friends. I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.